year student and taking course of Bachelor of Early Childhood Education. And I am going to ask you, but before that, may I know your name, your year, and also your program?
Good afternoon po. I am Jasmine A. Di Baline, a first year student from Bachelor of Science in Criminology.
And here is my questions. If I will give you 1 million pesos, what will you do?
If matagaan kong chance po na matagaan o 1 million, firstly po, ako agad siyang i-invest into a business because we all know that money can be swiped into in the air and dali rin siya mahurot. So, through business po, mas malago siya. And the next is tigaan jud po na ako og part sa money nga mapalitan po na ako ang house and lot ako ang parent po na bili na lang siya sa ako ang mother po, and ang the rest po is siguro if na po jud yung mabilin is ako po siyang ihatag or maghatag po share sa mga charity or charity na mga kinahanglan po mga charity or orphanage na kinahanglan jud og tabang.
Okay, thank you for your answer. Good afternoon. I am Ella Orhas, a second-year student taking course of Bachelor of Early Childhood Education, and I am going to ask you some questions. But before that, may I know your name, your year, and also your program?
I'm Althea Gabriel B. Cañete, taking course Bachelor of Science in Business Administration, Media and Financial Management.
Okay, here's my questions. If I given you 1 million pesos, what will you do to that money?
Kung tagaan ko ng chance na tagan ko 1 million, una po na ako makakuha sa mga mind is mag-invest o business, especially karon na practical na dali ra kayo na makatag ang kwarta, dali ra mawala sa inyong kuan kung patakataan mo kuan igasto. So una na kong kuan mag-business ko, magpalit kog mga mag-anak-anak like kanang mga animals na mag-anak-anak. And then second is maghatag po sa charity na kailangan kayo nila but and then gusto po ko magpa-scholar kay daghan kay mga students na gusto mo eskwela but ilahang knowledge sa kakaulangan sa kwarta mo.
Thank you for your answer. I am Ella Orhas, a second-year student taking course of Bachelor